এখন শুনবেন স্থানীয় ইংরেজি সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Bitar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Friday, the 20th of Chaitra, the 14th of Shawwal, and April the 3rd. The news read by Jannatul Rabi bint Hanan. Rajshahi Divisional Commissioner Dr. A.N.M. Majroor Rashid has urged guardians not to send children to school if they show symptoms of measles. He said affected children should be taken to hospital immediately. Majroor Rashid also said the number of measles patients has decreased over the past 3 days and the situation of now under control. He added that further improvement is expected as vaccination starts from Sunday. Divisional Commissioner ensured officials to raise public awareness in their respective areas. He also ensured that enough fuel will be provided to ensure smooth movement of health workers. Majroor Rashid directed all hospitals to keep separate isolation corners ready for measles patients. Fuel is being supplied daily under a rationing system from Baghabari Oil Depot in Sirajganj to 20 districts under 3 divisions. Even on the weekly holiday, fuel supply began from 7 a.m. today to 212 filling stations by Padma, Meghna and Jamuna Petroleum. A total of 18,19,000 litres of fuel is being supplied today. This included 14,72,000 litres of diesel, 2,85,500 litres of petrol and 61,500 litres of octane. As fuel supply remains normal, public suffering is beginning to ease. A 2-day training workshop of Hajj pilgrims has been held in Pabna. The workshop began today at Pabna Shodor Model Mosque and Islamic Cultural Center. It was organized by the District Administration and Islamic Foundation. The workshop provided guidance on Hajj rituals, rules, healthcare and overall preparation. Border Guard Bangladesh has seized a large quantity of Indian electric goods in an operation at Charghat border in Rajshahi. The drive was conducted early today by a team of Yusufpur BOP under the Rajshahi Battalion. At around midnight, 2 suspects were seen approaching. Sensing danger, they fled, leaving behind a package. BGB recovered 15,000 pieces of Indian electric resistance items of the abandoned package. The seized goods are being handed over to the Rajshahi Customs Office. BGB said efforts are ongoing to identify and take legal action against those involved. A mobile court has been conducted in the Mashirpur bypass area to control noise pollution in Noga. The drive led by Executive Magistrate Shakil Ahmed from the District Information Administration. During the operation, 3 vehicles were fined a total of 2,500 taka for creating excessive noise. The fines were collected on the spot. Illegal hydraulic horns were seized and destroyed during the drive. Leaflets were distributed among drivers and the public to raise awareness about the harmful effects of the noise pollution. Assistant Director of the Department of Environment Nazmul Hussain served as prosecutor in the mobile court. He said such drives and awareness activities will continue to prevent environment pollution. Free seeds and fertilizers have been distributed among farmers under an agricultural initiative program at Ulapara in Sirajganj. The distribution took place today at Upazila Porishad premises for the Kharif 1 season of the 2025-26 fiscal year. The program aims to increase production of jute, sesame and upshi oush rice. Around 600 small and marginal farmers received seeds and fertilizers under the program. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 39.5 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 25.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 25% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today will be at 6:22 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.